It's great to have you here in this video. Let's create a Listview in Android Studio using Kotlin language. I will create this project, or we will create this Listview just in 5 steps. The first step, create a project, open Android Studio and create a first project. So name it any name you can give and choose the API label and then continue. The first step is completed. Let's dive into the second. And the second point, we create a list view or an item view for our list view. So here we design it, right click on the layout folder and name a resource file, for example, text view for list view. Any name you can give, there's no problem. So here we need to design a simple text view as you can see in the video. So our second step was to design a layout file for our list view. After that, now in the third step, we need to head to the activity main.xml and here simply create a list view. It's very simple. Write down the list view, width will be match parent, height will be match parent, and there's nothing else. And also need an ID. As we can see, we created a list view in activity main.xml. Now let's head to the main activity.kotlin file in which we will create an adapter. Creating adapter is not very hard if you have the latest version of Android Studio, so it can help you to write it down to make the code very easy and very efficient. So as you can see, class my adapter, private vol context and private vol data, list of strings and base adapter, and implement the methods. Here get count, it will be returning the data and the size of the data, and get item, return position of data, and get item ID, return position to long. So it's done. Now in the get view, we have a view and a view holder. So follow up the video. You've seen that the creating adapter in the latest version of Android Studio is not very hard. So let's head to the last step, the final step, and the 5th step. So here we have vol list view. So list view, we need to find it from the XML, and it's very easy. You can see vol data, the data of a list of, for example, anything you write in the list view. So this is an array, and we are connecting adapter with it. So what is all done, you can see on screen. Connect your phone, connect your virtual device and run the project on it. I think there is nothing left without checking our application. Successfully installed the project on the virtual device. Here you can see we finally created a list view in Android Studio using Kotlin. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice time.